Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine. As you know that we have finished our lesson, The Ambassador's Disguise. Here are the words meaning of that lesson. The first word is enchant. It's mean fill someone with great delight. Dungeon means a dark prison or cell. Archer means a person who shoots with arrow and bow. Mounted means riding an animal. Suit of armor, it means the metal covering worn to protect body in battle. Warrior, it means a brave soldier or fighter. Trembled, shaking with fear. Astonishment means great surprise. Galloped means a fast pace of horse. And lastly, tribute means a payment made by one ruler to another. We have already discussed all these meanings during our lesson, reading and explanation. Hope you have understood them well. Students, now we will do the question answers of the same lesson. The question number A is, what were the Russian nobles boasting about? Do you remember the meaning of boast? To praise or speak lightly, highly about oneself. So the answer is, the Russian nobles were boasting of their strength, fame, wisdom, wealth, trusted horses and themselves. Number B is, why was the prince angry with Stavro? Why was he was angry on Stavro? Because the prince was angry with Stavro for saying that the prince was no match for his wife, Katrina. Question D is, what did the Greek ambassador want from the prince? And the answer is, the Greek ambassador wanted the prince to pay tribute, failing which he was to agree to let the ambassador marry his niece Zabava. Do you remember who was the Greek ambassador? It was basically Katrina. When she was pretending to be a soldier or a warrior, and that time he said that if you will not pay me the tribute, then I'll have to get married with your niece Zabava. Question E. Why did the prince think that Katrina was a man? The prince thought that Katrina was a man because of the clothes. Which clothes? That armor clothes she was wearing, and because she behaved like a man. Question last. Who was Zabava? Why did she refuse to marry the Greek ambassador? And the answer is, Zabava was the niece of Prince Vladimir. She refused to marry the to the great Greek ambassador because she thought he was not a man at all but a woman. You see, in the last two questions, Zabava was not agree on this reality that she was a man. Whereas Prince Vladimir was taking or thinking that Katrina was a man because of her intelligence and behavior. But Zabava was actually herself a female or a woman. That's why she could be able to recognize her being female. Students, this is all about today's lesson. The rest of activities, inshallah, we will do in our next session. Stay blessed and goodbye.